once again. Welcome back to Kesaria Textile Manufacturers. I hope all are safe and doing great. Today I'm at the counter Rapier Silk segment today, where we brought the new varieties for you to enjoy these 2025 Diwali collections. If you want low range, if you want high range, if you want classy, if you want pastel colors, I need only dark colors. All you can purchase only with Kesaria Manufacturers. You have a low range collections, high range collections, medium range collections, etc, etc, etc. So today I brought for you around some 325, around 332, approximately some 800 to 900 rupees of varieties. Keep watching this video, subscribe the channel quickly. You can also purchase before getting into Diwali. You can make your customer satisfaction. Customer satisfaction is very important in the business, right? So subscribe the channel quickly. You can do COD options. You can just take a mobile and quickly place an order, and you can get the products in your home anywhere from around the pan India. We do have a logistic services around worldwide shipping transport. You can purchase worldwide. If you're out of India, the Indian amount currency of 1 lakh rupees, you can do advance payments and you can do purchase. So let's see the collections quickly. I'm going to show you. Just come forward, camera. First I'll start with the rapier cotton. Very beautiful. You have a parrot green color with a golden border, leafy mango leaf pattern. You have a Sacha Soda. This is a Sacha Soda is the code, the saree's code. Every saree you have an identification with the gap borders. There's a navy blue pattern, very beautiful golden border with military green piping work. You can see over here the saree, which is very beautiful with the around 630. You can see the blouse around. So this is a beautiful sari. This is the pattern where you can see this is a pallu, lovely pallu with the gray finishing with the mud color combination with the this thing. And around next sari, if I want to show you the light pastel color of the onion pink or the rose milk color, Rajwadi organza in the base of organza based sari, very pretty sari, which is a you have a sunflower based of the matte look finishing, and the pallu, you have a classy pallu, you can see over here, and you have a brocade pattern, the running blouse over here. This is the brocade pattern, the running blouse, and the floral, you have a weaving work. This is the onion pinkish color. Rajwadi organza is the code. You can take a screenshot of the code and you can purchase. If I talk about the khadi type, you have a one more, which is you have a golden pallu, very classy, very sober. I need a weightless sari. You have a rapier cotton. This is one of the chocolate mix color, the brownish shade. You have a navy blue pattern with a mango leaf, which is a green color combination. This is a sari. Okay, this is a lightweight sari. There's a chocolate light brownish shade. If I talk about next sari, if I talk about the glossy silk, which is very it looks very royal, I can say, very silky glossy. This is a pattern of the one of the mixed green color, either mandy green or military color uniform combination of beige green, I can say over here. This is a pattern, lovely color with the pattern. This is a code called, you have a Falguni New Wall 20, Falguni Wall New 20. This is a pattern. Every sari you can take a screenshot. I'm sharing the code. Why? Because in online you can purchase these collections by saying an order. You can place the orders quickly. The yellow with red, tomato red, very beautiful. The Gujarat is having a famous festival in the Navratri where this celebration with the Garba dance, where you can see here on the sari. This is a very beautiful pretty pallu. This is one of the pattern. In this sari you can see the color combination of Balucheri silk wall 6, Balucheri wall 6. All these collections, you have a lovely collections. Last but not least, with a navy blue pattern with a gray color with a matte look, gray finishing with a blue color. It looks very officially. You can buy this collections wear for the office corporate sectors. Very lovely color combination. This is called Balucheri wall 6. This is also all these varieties you can purchase. This is the body part and this is a beautiful pallu. Hope you enjoyed these varieties for Diwali for collections. These all new varieties, everything is set to set. No need to worry about these collections. Quickly you can place an order. You have a Kanjivaram pattern based of mini borders with the mini Mahalakshmi borders with a purple base combination. So Rama green with this collections. All these exclusive varieties you can purchase set to set. Only deals with wholesale manufacturers. Kesaria, which is located at Millennium Textile Building 1, first floor, morning 9:30 to 8:30. You can do visit purchase. You can travel by airport. You can travel by train also. You have a pickup drop of facilities. Numbers are scrolling on the screen. No doubt about quality, no doubt about quantity. Subscribe the channel. You have a language sales executives to support you, to guide you. So hope you enjoyed this. Quickly place an order. Enjoy this. Next video we'll meet. Until then, keep supporting me. Subscribe the channel and share with everyone who is really interested to start saree business. Thank you.